Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Simply Earth. This is for May. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this just arrived. This is my May Simply Earth. They sent this to me for review and I'm so excited. They did send me last month, and in last month's it had a spoiler for this month and it was all about pets. And I was like, oh my gosh, I really want to get that one. And they sent me another one to review and I'm so excited because this is for pets. So if you've been following me, you know I'm really trying to learn about essential oils, and this particular company is amazing because not only do they send you 4 essential oils every month, they send you 6 recipe cards and some things in here to use for those recipes. They also do have a bonus box. When you sign up with my code is Crafty free. You get a free bonus box, which comes with all the essential stuff that you would need. It comes with roller balls, little containers, vials. It comes with so much stuff. And if you want to see that, you can check out last month's when I did the unboxing of that one. But this particular one has things in here that we may use from the bonus box. And also what they just did, if you use my code, Crafty free, not only will you get that free bonus box, you're going to get $40 gift card. Yes, a $40 gift card to use on their site, which is amazing because this essential box right here is $39 with free shipping. So basically, if you do sign up and you jump up on this bandwagon, now's the time, because not only will you get the month for $39, you'll get a $40 gift card to use for a future purchase on their website. And they have tons of things that you can purchase on their site, and you'll get that free bonus box as well. And that's not all, you guys. This month, I am so glad to tell you, they're actually giving back to one of you. That's right. They didn't only just send this to me, they are also going to let me do a giveaway, and one of you guys will win this exact box with the bonus box. That's right. You will win this month's box, May, with the bonus box. That is awesome. So thank you so much, Simply Earth, not only for sending this to me, but to send one to one of my viewers as well. That is awesome. Thank you so much. So if you guys have pets and you're into essential oils, then hang tight to find out the details on how you can enter into the giveaway. But I'm going to go ahead and unbox this so you can see what this one is all about. And then if you are interested, then you can follow the rules and enter into the giveaway, and one of these could be yours. But other than that, Crafty free will get you $40 gift card from their site, and what? The free bonus box. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in here. Let's see what this month's about. I am so excited because it is Pet Month. Let's get in here. So, okay, so right on top will be the recipes. And they also give 13% back of their proceeds let me see here. Is it for, yes. And it is for, to help end human trafficking. And in here, normally they do have, whoa, throwing it at me. Okay, so next month's box is summer. This June, we are bringing an all-natural twist into your summer routine. We've got 6 natural recipes designed to help you cool down and recover from days in the sun. Have you ever tried a frozen facial? Get ready to soothe summer skin in next month's box. That's awesome. Now, this month you're going to be making itchy skin roll-on. And let's see, is that, oh, the roll-on is in the bonus box. If it's the roller ball, yes, the roller ball, which is in, like I said, the bonus box. So that is cool. We're going to make that. We're going to make a pet balm. That is really cool. And that you're going to use 2 lip balm tubes. That must be in here. Yes, it is. So in here, I am just dropping everything today. Hold on. Here are 2 like chapstick vials to do the paw balm. Did I say lip balm? The paw balm. So you can make a balm for their little paws. That is awesome. I can't wait to try that. Then there is an anti-anxiety diffuser. So there's a recipe on how to do that. A fur and skin conditioner, and that one you're going to use a 1 ounce container, which I'm going to assume this would be the 1 ounce container. Then there's a pet odor eliminator spray, which you will use the 2 ounce spray bottle for. So that is all of the little containers that they have in here. There's also a tick and mosquito collar, which you would then use with, isn't that so cute? That is a bandana for your fur baby, and it has essential oils on it. Natural home, happy pet. That is awesome. So there's that, and the essential oils that we have for this month are ginger, juniper berry, peace and quiet, citronella. So I will go ahead and let you know how you can win. So if you do have a fur baby and you are interested in getting this maze box, then here are the rules. A, you must be subscribed to my channel. That is how I do my giveaways. You must be subscribed to my channel. You must give this a big thumbs up, and you must leave one comment down below with the word enter me in that comment. You must be over the age of 18, and they said they will ship to anybody in the US and Canada. That's awesome, because I know I do have Canada viewers, people in Canada that are viewing my channel. So if you have a fur baby, you're into essential oils in the US or in Canada, and you want to enter, again, be subscribed, like, comment, use the words enter me, and be in one of those two, Canada or US. And then when this ends and you win, you will have 48 hours to give me your information that I can give to them so they can send this box out to you. It's going to come directly from the company. They're not going to send it to me for me to send to you. I get your information, send to them, and they will send it to you. Now, on your comment that will say enter me in it, I will use a random comment picker. And if you have that word in there, you're over 18, you are subscribed and all that good stuff, then and it picks you, then I will respond to your comment and I will tell you, congratulations, you won. Send me an email with your information. You have 48 hours. If I do not hear from you within 48 hours, I will have that random comment picker choose another winner, and that new rule will apply. That new winner will have 48 hours to respond until I get a confirmed win. I'm only going to run this, you guys, for 72 hours because I really, really want to get this winner and get the information over to them so they can get this box out before this month's box sells out, because they do sell out quickly, because this is an amazing box. Again, you get your essential oils, you get your recipe cards, it tells you exactly how to make them, and you also get these cool stickers to put on the actual containers. So like this one says Paw Bomb, you will cut that out and you can roll it on here, and so on and so forth for all of the different things that we will be making in this box. So that is awesome. So again, if you would like to enter to win, go ahead and follow those simple rules. It'll all be in the description box down below as well. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some of these together, show you guys how they go together, and yeah. So hold on. Okay, you guys, so that is all I have for you today. I went ahead and put some of them together and showed you how easy this stuff is. This is just amazing. And this month there was everything included between the bonus box and this box. I didn't have to go and purchase any items. Like last month we did some amazing recipes. We did a stain remover, a counter cleanser. We did a dishwashing detergent, a laundry detergent. It was just so many cool things that we made last month. So again, if you do want to check out that one, check out last month's video and you can see what's all in the bonus box and you can see what me and my wonderful niece made together using the recipes from last month's box. So again, if you guys want to enter to win, comment down below the word enter me, be over the age of 18, live in the US or in Canada, be subscribed to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up and then respond within 48 hours if you are the winner. And that is all. So that is amazing, you guys. Again, if you're interested in this, now's the time to jump on where they have the $40 promotion going on and then you get the free bonus box as well. So follow my link down below and enter She Crafty free and get those free goodies. So again, that is all that I have for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd greatly appreciate that. Until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.